let's go see Radovid. Every time I think Radovid, I think Ratigan from The Great Mouse Detective, that old Disney movie. Ratigan, Ratigan, oh, Ratigan. Radovid, Ratigan. He's a big dickhead, too.
What the devil?
Fuck you, cunt.
This is the ship of His Majesty Radovid V, King of Redania. State your business.
I want to see the king. It's about Philippa Eilhart.
If that's the case, come with me. But no sudden moves. Got my eye on you.
I could easily kill Radovid, even without my swords.
Witcher, any progress? Have you found Eilhart?
She definitely hid where your men said, but I arrived too late. Fortunately or not, can't really say. There'd been a fire in the hideout. Philip had died in the flames, most likely.
A fitting end for a witch. So, have you any proof?
No, but you have my word.
Your word? You give me your word? Sorry, but Eilhart herself taught me to doubt everyone, especially their word. So we've naught to talk about. Farewell.
Alright, quest complete. I'm fine with that. Kept Philippa alive.
Ramen supper.
Alright, let's see what else we got here. Quests, secondary. Alright. Guess we can do that one now. Oh, actually, hold on. I gotta go to these places. Let's see, Crow's Perch. Right, yep. Get a card there. Or also I gotta go fantasy for those decoy cards. It said the Quartermaster at Crow's Perch. And then 2 other spots, or 1 other spot or something like that. Anyway. So I'm coming here first.
You know, Witcher, folk can say what they will.
Do I look at all familiar, Master Witcher? My associate and me, you were kind enough to save us from the very guards I myself had hired, no less.
All right, rings a bell now. Get to your destination all right?
We did, and we were lucky to, for the trade proved surprisingly
Yeah, where in
robust.
White Orchard dishes? I
I've
haven't seen
goods
them.
now, if you're interested. Naturally, at a sizable discount, it's your due.
Show me what you've got on offer.
Nice. Yeah, those. That's pretty good.
So long.
One for the price of 2.
Alright, spot a cider for you? Or a bit of dry curd?
Like to take a look. Farewell.
Yeah, could you tell me where in White Orchard though dishes? Like which place? I went to White Orchard earlier to look, and the 2 places I checked didn't have any or anything. Granted, it could be random per every game, so. And there was a few I could have swore I just decided not to buy, but I don't know.
Let's be the witch, but
Fancy a gander at the top. We've gathered ourselves.
So I never even talked
Show
to
me
this
what you
guy,
got.
so that works. Decoy. Alright. I'll keep those shackles. They need to be used for something.
Wouldn't mind a few rounds of Gwent.
There we go. Special card limit reached. Nice. I only got 3 special cards. Nilfgaard armor. Okay, I did try the armor and I did not try the herbalist. Jabber. Thank you so much, buddy. I really appreciate it. Hi, buddy. Alright, here we go. Let's whoop this dude's ass. Wow, really? Thanks, guy. Nice. I'm gonna pick that one up. I might go ahead and forfeit and just let him have this. He's already played his spies. Let's make him play a little more. That's what I'll do. Cool. Alright, this will work out really well for me, actually. There we go. There we go. I'll get him. I definitely gotta try the herbalist. In White Orchard. Taylor's a good one. I like that card. Ah, I got my decoy. I'm gonna practice it just because I can. Nice, he's got all 3 weather up. Got him. Doing this just for fun. Oh man, this is awesome.
It isn't easy, not at all.
Alright, so there's that.
Got eyes like a cat.
Got to play that decoy card, that was pretty awesome.
Go. Tis the hunger. Makes me head spin.
Okay, now to get that other decoy. I think my Northern Kingdoms deck's definitely my strongest deck. And I may be able to win the tournament with it. Now. Especially once I get this other decoy. Then I'll be good. So, Herbalist and White Orchard. You know of any other ones, Fantasy Diablo, if you're still around, bud? So, Herbalist. She's here at Sawmill.
Geralt and Yennefer were reunited. Something even more important happened in New Zealand. Geralt learned that Cirilla, his one-time ward, had returned from afar.
Yeah, I don't have monster deck filler right now. I have a really strong Nilfgaard deck, but it's really spy heavy, and I end up like giving them all the points pretty much. I need to learn how to play ties better, I think. It's another big deal that I need to do. Play for ties, because Nilfgaard always wins the tie. Unless against Nilfgaard, I guess.
Yes?
Where's Lena? Something happened?
She was getting better. Then Nilfgaardians came, carried her off.
Nilfgaardians?
I've no notion.
Got any herbs you're willing to sell?
Later, Lynx Panda.
I'm
Take it
sure
easy,
I
buddy.
can find something.
Yeah, so you don't have any cards.
Farewell.
Alright.
Freak.
She's the only herbalist I know of. Yeah, it's troll decoction. I already have it. I found the recipe somewhere else. So that's that. Alright.
Triss could not help Geralt, yet she did direct him to Kareem Tilly, an O'Neill
Oh.
and an expert at finding the lost and the missing. Guided by
Fantasy, where was the other places I could find the,
in it, Ciri and I
those
fought
cards?
Dandelion were reunited.
The innkeep
Geralt now knew that
at the original inn in White Orchard isn't there anymore because I did something. And she's not there. I pretty much saved her from some bad guys and she told me to get out and ran away and she's not there anymore.
I'm warning you.
So, yeah. Gotta be somewhere else to do it.
It's under my keys. What's he doing? Look awfully suspicious to me, Strand.